Basic dresses are amazing because you can style them in many ways. In this video, I'm going to share you guys some outfit ideas and styling tips to style basic dresses. There are a lot of dresses in the world, but I'm going to share with you guys this basic dress I'm wearing right now, a turtleneck mini dress. It's just a classic and simple item. You can keep in your wardrobe forever and you're not gonna be sick of that. So the point of this basic dress, it just goes well with everything. Especially you can match this one with a nice jacket, coat. You can also match this one with puffers. You can wear this dress on its own. You can also do layering. It depends on the weather and your preference. I like to wear this one on its own because it really fits me well on my body, so it makes me look really fit. You can make it feminine, sexy, or casual, so you can get a lot of use out of this. Besides, the price point is amazing. So let's dive into outfits. This is the first outfit I want to share. I just want to make this outfit look sophisticated and elegant. So I just put on a nice fur jacket. This fur jacket is very feminine and cute and very springy. It's minimal, it's easy to wear compared to oversized fur jackets. So it's gonna be a perfect item for your spring style. This is the second outfit. The whole vibe is classy in a simple way. I'm just throw on this nice long coat with this basic dress. The cool thing about this whole outfit, you don't have to give a lot of precious your mental energy to your outfit. That's very important. Life is already complex. We have so many things we have to deal with, so I just want to make my outfit look simple and nice. I really like the whole feel of this outfit. It's just such a nice outfit for my everyday outfit. As a Korean, we like natural makeup styles, so I think it really fits well to that concept. If you're sick of wearing long coat every single day, this kind of cropped jacket is gonna be elevate your mood and style. I show you guys that I also have this dress in beige color, but this jacket is also beige. If I wore this dress in beige color, I think the outfit would be a little bit blurry, so I chose this brown color. I'm wearing this puffer trench coat to make this outfit more suitable for everyday life situations. It has a such fuzzy fur inside. I can also throw on a snuggly sweater to layer with this dress, but I don't feel the necessity. So I'm just wearing this nice long puffer to make myself feel warm and stylish. Do you guys like to wear a puffer with zippers or buttons? I used to like puffers with zippers. The zippers tend to get stuck very easily, so I get a lot of frustration from that. So I just switch it up to wear puffers with buttons, so I don't have to get those kind of hassles anymore. But sometimes it's a little bit bothering because I have to unbutton and do the buttons again and again, but I get used to that. This outfit is more on the casual side. I'm wearing this cutie puffer. I really like the fur color detail here. It makes the whole puffer look special. Besides, the dress is a bit basic, so it's good to throw on a little bit trendy puffer so we can make our outfit look more interesting and stylish. Besides, the zipper is very soft. I don't have to be bothered by the zipper. I don't have any cropped puffer jacket before, but it literally changed my style game. So you can definitely have this kind of puffer because sometimes long puffers are a little bit difficult to wear, although they are warm. So this kind of crop length help you move easily. So I like the functionality. Although I don't put that much effort into my outfit, I look way more stylish by selecting right items. So I highly recommend you try this kind of cropped puffer jacket. If you're interested in the one I'm wearing, I put the link in my description box below, so you can definitely check. So I'm wearing this pink long coat. It's the same one with the previous one. Because of the color, the whole outfit looks totally different. It's gonna be a nice outfit for day, night, and I really like the whole spring vibe of this outfit, so you can definitely try this kind of colorful coat if you only have neutral color coats. So I told you guys before, this dress is good to layer with other items. So this is the outfit for that. Actually, this is also a knit dress, but it has like a very deep V-neck. So if you want to be more style to this outfit, I think it's a good idea to layer this dress inside of this. You can also do belt, and I can also take this belt off so I can wear this one in 2 ways. And to be honest, I wear this knit top constantly for my work. It's just literally one of my uniforms. So I'm gonna do on belt, show you guys the difference. You can go about many ways to do styling this dresses. Which style do you guys prefer? Please comment down below. It's just such a bougie and luxurious vibe outfit. Less than $150. I look elegant in a comfortable way. I just throw on this long coat and this simple dress, but because of the fur trimming and the whole silhouette of the dress and the coat, I look extra bougie. I really like this outfit. If you guys are having a great time with me with this outfit ideas, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, so it completes this video. I share outfits. You can style this basic dress. If you're interested in this amazing dress, I put the link in my description box below, so you can definitely check. If you are new, I'm Emma. I create fashion content and Korean fashion content every week. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're interested in fashion. I hope you have a beautiful day and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!